Today we will discuss about how to use header and footer in MS WordPad or MS Word. Now let's start. On left corner you see the insert word. Click on it and there is a option of header and footer. In the middle there is three options: header, the top of the page, the footer on the low side of the page or end of the page, and the page number. Let's start from the header. The header, there is 5 options for the header. You choose anyone. I select this one. Now come to the footer. In footer you see also the 5 options are there. If you want to write anything, I am choosing this one. Now write something like I am writing XYZ. Now double click on the page. Now see, the header is on the top and in the end the footer is present. Now come to the page number. There is also some options like top of the page. If you want to put your page number on the top of the page, then select anyone from these, and bottom of the page number and page margins and current position. Now we select bottom of the page and selecting the accent bar 1. Now see, there is also you edit the number. Now see, if you write any page number or select the page number, then your header or footer will be removed. If you add this number on the top of the page, then your header will not be visible. If you write the footer or put the page number on the end of the page, then the footer will remove from the page. Thank you.